Hi, I'm Lindsay and I want to tell you about the benefits of Mega Mobile. Let your family know from your holiday destination that you are okay at very low rates. Or give your daughter in Canada a very quick call just to hear her voice at very low rates. Or perhaps you're an entrepreneur who travels a lot and wants cheaper phone bills. That is all possible with Mega Mobile's new smartphone app. How is it possible? Well, simply by calling over the internet, by which you avoid high international charges from your provider. As long as you have access to Wi-Fi, you can use Mega Mobile from anywhere in the world. If you're at home and wish to call abroad with your own SIM card, you can not only make cheap calls via Wi-Fi, but also via 3G, 4G, and even through your provider's SIM card. There are several providers similar to Mega Mobile, but only with Mega Mobile you make the most inexpensive calls. With other providers you pay a standard tariff. With Mega Mobile you do not pay a standard rate. You register online at www.megamobile.eu. All you need is your email address and mobile phone number. The app and account are free. All you need is to buy credit to make phone calls. It can't be more fair than that. To buy extra call credit, go to www.megamobile.eu. Mega Mobile can be used on iPhone and Android phones. When you install the app, it automatically imports all your contacts so you can call them from Mega Mobile. The advantages of Mega Mobile are very low call rates, no standard rates, and you will not need a new SIM card or new number. Mega Mobile offers an excellent way to save on your international calls. You save up to 90% on your international call traffic with Mega Mobile. Mega Mobile has a collaboration with Flying Blue. Flying Blue is a loyalty program from Air France and KLM. If you use Mega Mobile and you're a member of the Flying Blue loyalty program, you will save Flying Blue miles while calling. With Flying Blue miles, you're saving for free flights and more. For more information, click on the Flying Blue button on this website. Mega Mobile is user-friendly, reliable and cheap.